Dito tayo ngayon sa Malvar, Batangas sa JG Farms. Meron ditong swimming pool tsaka merong farmhouse. Tapos merong mga activities like farm animals feeding, merong ding camping, merong bonfire, tapos may mga iba pang mga animals. I don't know what kind of animals ang nandito. We're gonna do all of those. But first, meron ako ditong dalawang bagong craft beer. It's called Crimson Sorcery IPA at saka Blood Orange Saison. These beers are made by Collab Microbrewery. This is the newest craft beer brewery dito sa Pilipinas. Naka-launch lang nito about a month ago. And this brewer, originally, ang business model niyan ay reseller or it's a distributor of craft beers and some other alcoholic beverages and liquors na online nila binebenta. And I think nagbebenta rin sila ng mga brewing equipments or brewing ingredients. And then eventually, they have decided na gumawa na rin ng sarili nilang craft beer. So, here it is. This is Collab Microbrewery. This one is IPA, Crimson Sorcery IPA. Medyo mataas siya, no? Yan, 7% alcohol by volume. And yung Saison naman is only 5%. Let's read the label. A microbrewery is a brewery that produces small amounts of beer, typically much smaller than large-scale corporate breweries, and is independently owned. Brewed locally, such breweries are generally characterized by their emphasis on quality, flavor, and brewing technique. So, sa Taguig lang ito ginagawa. Nandun ang brewery nila sa Taguig, and nandun din ang operations ng website kung saan mo mabibili itong beer na to. By the way, that website is called Central Craft Beverages. I will leave a link down below in the descriptions. And pwede nyo puntahan yung website na yun if you want to taste or if you want to buy craft beers and other alcoholic drinks. But first, let's start cooking. I'm gonna prepare adobo. Unahin nating tikman yung IPA. You know what? Sige. Ito na lang Saison. Saison is a little bit weaker beer. 5% yan. And pagkakalam ko sa Saison is may pagka-juicy. Kaya mo, blood orange. Kaya nga blood orange yan eh. Ang taas ng bula niya, oh. I don't know, baka mali lang yung pagkakapur ko. Pero it's very carbonated. Yan.
Amoy na usual beer.
Amoy beer. Hindi amoy citrus or orange. May naamoy akong pagka-citrus. May pagka-citrusy ng konti. Yung kulay niya medyo hazy. Pero golden brew pa din. Okay. Yeah, may pagka-citrusy yung lasa niya. Madaling inumin. It's very refreshing. It's very refreshing. I don't know kung may may halong or may ingredient na orange. It doesn't say here. I'm not very familiar sa classification ng mga Saison. I don't know if it's about the way it's brewed. But as far as I know, sa mga Saison na nainom ko na, yun na nga, it's a little bit more juice ang taste profile niya ng mga Saison. But it's still beer, ha. Nangingibabaw pa rin yung pagkalasa ng beer. Yung aftertaste niya parang may doon naglilinger yung lasa ng ng citrus. Parang orangey zest. Masarap, hindi masyadong matapang. Manamis, parang juice. Aside from Collab beer, may mga iba pa palang craft beer brewers, mga Pinoy craft beer brewers ang available dun sa Central Craft Beverages. If I remember correctly, there's Mitchell's, there's Banayad, there's Beer Bunny, ano pa ba yung nandun? There's Joe's Brew, and I can't remember exactly right now kung ano yung mga available na beer. Ilalagay ko na lang dito sa screen And then I will put a link down in the descriptions. Okay, next. Nakakaisang beer pa lang ako. Saison. Pero medyo tinatamaan. I don't know why. But it feels like parang mas malakas yung tama ng 5% ng Saison. But, of course, we're not gonna stop there. I'm going to try and taste this now. This is IPA. This one has a higher alcohol content. I'm excited to taste this because I'm a fan of these kinds of beers, IPAs. Nice. First of all, the color is very dark. And it has a reddish tone. Reddish tint. Look at that. Oh, parang reddish siya. This is the kind of IPA na excited akong tikman. Ang bango ng aroma niya, may pagka-fruity. The ingredients of these beers are very basic. But I'm surprised kasi with such a small amount of ingredients, nakakagawa sila ng mga iba't ibang klase ng variations of beer. Anyway, tikman na natin itong IPA Sorcery. Crimson Sorcery by Collab Brewery. Oh, that's nice. The bitterness is not very pronounced. Nice. Sarap. And habang iniinom mo, mas nagiging pronounced yung aroma niya. Kanina, nung inaamoy ko lang, hindi ko masyadong sense yung distinct aroma niya. But, nung nilunok ko na, doon ko na ramdaman yung pagka-smoky flavor. And even yung aroma, mas lumakas doon sa nasal cavity, nasal part of the nose. I like it. Cheers. Checkin natin yung adobo ko, baka nasusunog na. Kailangan nating haluin. Wait lang. I'm trying adobong puti. Adobong puti is an adobo na walang toyo. But maybe later kung hindi ko na, I don't know yet, hindi ko masyadong pinlano what to do with this. Right now, this is just, minarinade ko lang yung adobo dun sa vinegar kanina. Tapos, tinanggal ko yung vinegar. Now, pinapakuluan ko lang dito sa kawali. And these are just the natural juices of the chicken itself. I was hoping na maging oily yung chicken tapos ma-fry siya sa sarili niyang mantika. Later on, pag medyo nag-brown na tong mga chicken, I will add back the vinegar and the other ingredients. Meanwhile, let's continue drinking this IPA by Collab Microbrewery. Cheers! Sarap!
You don't subscribe right now, your house is gonna explode. And 3, 2, what? Okay.
Dito tayo sa part ng farm kung saan nag-aalaga sila ng mga manok. Dami mga manok dito, pero hindi lang yung mga native na panabong or yung mga native na the usual chicken. Ang dami nila ng mga manok na kakaibang breed. And they even have a group of peacocks. Nagalit siya. Look how big this farm is. Yeah, from there. Nandun yung mga peacocks kanina. And then, all of these mga kulungan ng mga iba't ibang klase ng breed ng manok. There's a herd of sheep na free roaming, free range sheep dito sa farm na to. I don't know if you can see them. It's right over there. Hindi sila mga kambing ha. These are not goats. These are legit sheeps. Baba black sheep. There's a brown sheep. There are white sheep. You know, may mga wool. Ayun yung bagong panganak ko. Kahapon lang daw siya pinanganak. Ayun o. There's a newborn sheep. Hello. Hello, mommy sheep. Mommy sheep. Cute. So cute. Tingnan natin kung makakahuli tayo. Or at least touch one. Tingin ng nanay. Ha? Tingin ako. Suplado yung mga goats dito. Ay, yung mga lambs dito. Ayaw nila magpahawak. They're not friendly. Alam nila siguro na masama ang bala ko sa kanila.